Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want to experience the fun and delicious flavors of shaved ice at home, then this party pack from Hawaiian Shaved Ice is going to blow you away.
If you had told me I would become obsessed with a shaved ice machine, I probably would have laughed at you. But when I got my hands on this, I have been so obsessed with it. It is so easy to use, and it comes with everything you could ever need to make delicious shaved ice. Two of these fantastic ice molds that all you have to do is fill them up, pop them in the freezer. I had been collecting them for about a week or two, making a few every day, and I was able to bring my machine to a little party my parents were having, and I made everyone these great shaved ice cones. Everyone was so happy with them. The flavors are delicious, and you can see my dad loving this blue raspberry one. He was so happy with it, and they were so good. I love that you can use this machine not just for making shaved ice in a cone with these flavors, but you can use it for things like filling up your cup and putting your cocktail in it or pouring your soda over it. It really has a ton of uses.
I never knew that I would be so happy having my own shaved ice machine. I am completely obsessed with it. I have had so much fun with this party pack. I love it. I would recommend it to anyone, and that's my point of view.